Greetings, I hope you are fine. Now I'm gonna talk about some different edits with Windows Filmora and some different tab to choose from. If you see this red mark sign, that means that your original video site was changed. Just navigate and double click to navigate or add from the media file. Now if you had a timeline video and you want to customize, use preview, you just head to the preview menu and get to the settings and you can apply, let's say, zoom level at 75. You can zoom it in and zoom it out, and remember, this is the preview menu where you can see the preview of the original one. If you make any changes, you will see in this preview tab. If you get to the setting, you can head to the ruler to remove the ruler tab. If you want to choose a different side of the video, you can choose the zoom level and choose to show the safe zone is the same as if you're writing a letter and typing and you find the dark line which represents the safe zone. But for this one, I want to focus on how to change the portrait and make it a widescreen, and how to change the zoom level of the video. For this one, you can apply a snapshot if you want some photo for a specific part of the video. If you press it, it will automatically save it and get it to your media file. And this is a sound preview of the original video you're working with. Let's get to the main topic of today. Today you're gonna select the video, double click to head to the navigate to the main tabs inside it. If you want to get to the deep tools, you got double click or right click. If you double click, you will import the main data of the video that you will change. For this mode, you can change the size and you will find the color correction option. If you had the color correction, you will navigate to the color correction tab where you can use AI tools or you can adjust the color of the original video you are working with. And remember to choose the animation to change the animation, and you have the speed. For this one, you can choose from different presets for the original video you have, and you can customize it. You can make it size, and this is the preset. And remember, you can use AI color palette. And you can change the exposure of the light, the saturation. You can drag it to the side to see the different effect of color correction. You can turn it on or off by pressing, and you can get to the HSL and animation and so on. Also the color wheel and the curves can choose from and apply modification to your video. If you press OK, then you get and save it. And this is the AI translation if you want to get the text. For the main one, you just double click to return back to your main video. And remember, you want to get to the main edits, just right click, and you have the split. Split is separating between the two parts of your video. Now you have two different clips, and if you right click, you will find different options like duplicate, delete, and rebel delete. Rebel delete deletes the video you are selecting, and also the spaces between more than video. Let's make an example for that. It's copied by Control and C and pasted by Control and V, the shortcut. And if you select the middle one and right click and rebel delete, that what happened, it deleted the video and also deleted the space that was occupied by the original one. For this one, you can navigate to the main data of this video. You can now get to the colors. After you finish your colors, you get to the video that I want you to know that you can scale it up and down, and you can add a keyframe. Keyframe for scaling, if you just press it, it will add a keyframe to ZY. and if you get it to the other point, you can scale it a little bigger. It some sort of zoom in transition. And if you navigate around and apply a different one, it will apply another zoom. If you get to slow, you get to increase the distance and increase the zoom. Now you get the smooth transition, and if you get this sound down and hit a play button, you can get to the specific zoom that you want to customize it. You can see it slowly graduating, but if you hit the pause button and you can select the keyframe that you have just made, let's increase this one a little bit to be able to control it. You can select the keyframe and drag it to the side and drop it, and when you hit play you can see the zooming in effect increasing the speed as the keyframes are much closer together. If you want to make it slow, make it apart, and if you make it fast, make it closer. And when you get to this point, hit the play button. And remember, you can use the shortcut keys from the keyboard: J to reverse the speed, the key, and L to play it for further on and back. And this is how to apply a keyframe of smoothing transition. Let's decrease it a little bit and double click to get to the main data. This is the main setting of the selected video. You can choose to apply a flip, a rotation, transformation, and you can change the blending mode. If you have double layers of the video, you can change the opacity and the background. You can navigate down to apply the shadow and motion tracking. Motion tracking is meant by if you have a video motions and you want to attach a text to it. I will explain it in the next lesson. Auto enhance allow you to enhance your video. This is the video denoise and lens correction. This is all about the different tabs and options that you can see in AI enhancer. This is the shadow, the background, the compositing of the video, and the scaling. If you get to the AI mapping, what's meant by AI? Chroma Key. Chroma Key is removing the background if you have something and background below it. If you just play it, it removes the background. You will see it clearly if you have a person in a video and you want to remove the background. If just to change this one, you can select to change the white. And apply this one. You can see it will remove the background, and you will get hit to the different option of the chroma keys. You can increase or decrease the offset to increase or decrease the tolerance and the intensity of the background that will be removed. This is about the borders and edges thickness if you want to adjust it a little. And when you hit OK, if you have two different clips, it will remove the background. This is the AI transformation. Hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you on the next one.